What up, what up, what up? Yes, guys, I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all crypto bosses. That is the aim for this channel, guys, is to make all your crypto bosses so you can leave that 9 to 5 slavery. Yes, this is the biggest opportunity out there. Let's get into the video. Guys, so this is more to everybody, but I share this on my socials, my Instagram, my business pages, my Telegram groups. So we've got majority of the subs now are from my groups. So if you know me from being online boss and calling meme coins and calling crypto gaming and calling NFTs and made a lot of people a lot of money, then you know me from that sector of crypto. If you're on Instagram, you just know me from me having an Instagram page and my team posting. But either way, welcome to this channel, guys. I believe this is the biggest opportunity of our lifetimes. If we miss Bitcoin at 300, if we miss Ethereum at $10, it is what it is. I believe now we're having this great crypto reset. So the main purpose of this is obviously to introduce myself, and also for you guys that was in the meme coin phase, I just want to explain a lot to you guys and to set expectations. Okay, first expectation is right now we're not going to get them 100x gains within a couple of weeks. You know about the Elon Gates and the Safe Moons and all those ones that I made millions out of and showed you guys these projects too. That's going to come later on in the cycle. It's always good to understand what cycle we're in. Right now, we're in the cycle of a bit of a reset. Like the Ethereum and Bitcoin, that's going to be the first cycle. So that's going to start mooning. Then people are going to take profits from that. They're going to put it into speculative altcoins. Altcoins can be crypto gaming. It can be potential DeFi yet. DeFi's had a bit of a hammering. And then it will waver into NFTs. It could be any way from there, but it starts off from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Nothing's not blowing up. Obviously, you will get your anomaly. One NFT here might pump, and a shitcoin might pump here. But on a macro level, for the whole ecosystem, that's the levels, okay? So for you guys with the meme coins, maybe the meme coin cycle, we've got a good few months to get to making that crazy gains. Like we've been there, made that crazy gains. But I just want to tell you guys, this is a different sector, different cycle. And it's amazing to be over here because we're not just talking about crap coins. We're going to be in the mix. We're going to be investing, but me personally, investing into Bitcoin, investing into Ethereum, studying the market, understanding what's going on in the macroeconomics, and it's all filtering down. Like guys, last year I've just been studying outside, like crypto. I've been studying like how economics works and the monetary system, Federal Reserves, all these kind of stuff. And I'm a simple guy, so what's great about this channel, I can simplify it in a good manner, in layman's terms for you guys, because we've got those channels. If you want to listen to those channels that speak articulate and got these big words and these big understandings, I'm here to simplify it for you guys. That's the one thing I'm going to do. Two things, there's nobody in this game that researches like me. Do you know why I know? Because there's nobody in this game that leaves his family, that obsessed with crypto, that does not do nothing but study crypto 18 hours a day, 18 hours a day. I don't go and see friends, I don't go out, I don't go clubbing, I don't drink, I don't do this, I don't do that. I'm literally addicted to cryptocurrency, to studying the market, to learning how to do TA, and obviously doing fundamental analysis. Guys, I'm hooked. Obviously, I'm saying there's nobody, there's always an anomaly out there, but on a primary basis, it's going to be hard to find someone that puts in the hours like I do. And especially on this channel, I'm not here to shill no projects, i.e. I'm not doing no paid reviews, I'm not doing no paid affiliate links, pure value. And why did I start this channel? Because I'm sick and tired of people, these YouTubers, shilling their Bybit links. It's getting so cringy now. Literally, they don't come with no value. Look at me, I'm in my yacht. Look at me, I'm in a Lambo. Look at me, look at my watch. Here's my Bybit link. It's cheesy. I'm here to give you guys value. Cryptocurrency has changed my life. I came from nothing in a little town, a little stupid little kid running around doing stupid stuff, to having a multi-million-dollar business that turns over 6 figures a month, crypto related, and having a 7-figure portfolio from crypto, and building other businesses, other marketing services, all through crypto, guys. So also this keeps me accountable to give you guys value and give you guys information that I study anyway. That's a bit of who am I, what I'm doing, and about me. But let's just have a couple of minutes and just explain to you right now what's going on in the current situation of cryptocurrency and what I'm doing. Not financial advice. You can follow, but it's not financial advice. Guys, right now, I 100% believe we're going to hit an 85% correction in the market, just like what happened in the dot-com bubble and what happened in the last 2 cycles of Bitcoin's halving. We hit 85% retracement. That took us down to $10,000 Bitcoin, and well, that will take us down to $10,000 Bitcoin and a potentially $200 to $300 Ethereum. Now, that being said, that is worst case scenario. Worst case scenario. Because honestly, guys, this is why I'm not just a guy that's doing TA. I like to do FA, fundamental analysis, because it's so much deeper than people. It's so much deeper than charts and people's emotions. Because what is trading? What is the bulls and bears? Prices go up and down. What is it, guys? Emotions. Where does emotion actually comes from? Within, obviously, but also it comes from outside situations. So the current economics of the world. So right now, what's going on? I'm going to give you a brief understanding. I don't want to waffle on too much because it is high level. But right now, we are going through something called quantitative tightening. Basically, the Feds are taking money out of the market that they put in quantitative easing in COVID. So right now, we are on a risk-off strategy. Everything follows the Fed, follows what's going on in the world. So right now, we're on risk-off. Unfortunately, Bitcoin meant to have been a risk, not a risky asset, but it obviously is at the moment now. People are seeing it's very risky. It's kind of following tech stocks. So we're on risk off. So nobody doesn't want to put their money into Bitcoin or even the stock market, etc., etc. When the Fed pivots, which it will come, then it will turn around. Then it will go into risk on investments. People start investing into cryptocurrency again and the stock market. So that's what's going on the macro level. All right, guys. So we're going to keep studying. You can dollar cost average. Dollar cost average means basically buying into cryptocurrencies, whatever cryptocurrencies you like. I will talk about them on this channel. Buying into weekly or monthly. So that is what's going on in the current economics, guys. This is what's going on in crypto, and I'm here to give you value every single day. I'm going to give you the latest news, because what did I say earlier? News affects emotion. What's going on outside is going to affect inside, and what's that going to affect? The charts. It's going to affect crypto prices. So like this video, guys, subscribe. I'm here to give you the news every single day and what best projects that I'm getting into that can make us big gains. All right, guys, till the next one. Peace out.